Hi everyone, my name is Vinod. I'm a corporate trainer for various finance professional programs like ACCA, CMA USA, and CPA USA. Today's session is to give you an orientation about how you can crack ACCA exam in first attempt. Many a time students approach me mentioning that, sir, I have used this material, I have gone through this training, I could not pass the exam. See, one of the things you need to keep in mind is ACCA is world's one of the leading finance professional program covering around 13 papers. So when you are doing, and the opportunities also, once you qualify ACCA, you are a lifelong, amazing professional, finance professional. So to achieve such finance professional qualification, you need to appear also in a very professional manner. You cannot take a pirated material or watch some YouTube video to qualify such exam. You have to consider that education is never a cost. It is an investment. So when you are approaching for a professional program like ACCA, you have to make it in the right approach in a very professional manner. Now, what I will do is I will give you an insights about MyLogic and EXP Group's ACCA program, which is one of the platinum solutions, EXP being the platinum provider of ACCA. You can go through this demo session. I'm not saying this is the only session, but the approach, you could notice that this approach or the similar approach will help you to crack ACCA in first attempt. Okay. Now let me share the screen. Just 1 second. All right. So when you come join for this MyLogic EXP program, the first thing, you will be getting an ID and password, which will take you to a home page like this, wherein you could see continue learning, check study plan, dashboard, activate course, input exam date. You will be able to input your exam date, and the moment you input that exam date, then it is an artificial intelligence driven platform wherein each day what you need to prepare will be calculated automatically. Okay, so it will like a study planner in a AI driven platform. Like every day what you need to cover will be very detailed explained step by step. Okay, now let us move on to the next step, continue learning. Once you come to the continue learning, the first thing what you need to do is you need to download the materials. You will get world's best, one of the best material, Kaplan's material you will be getting, which you can download, and you will be able to get the updates also regularly. That is the first step you need to do. Then there are seven steps you will be able to perform in this platform. The first one is learning lectures. As you could see in the screen, you will be able to view around, the topic like SPR have around 20 chapters, and each chapter will have 2 segments. One is play video and test results. Okay, practice test. So let's play a video. Okay.
Hello, my friends, and welcome to ACCA Strategic Business Reporting. We're going to refer to this throughout your studies as SBR. Be considered reading time.
So as you could see here, you have very extensive videos on an average around 30 minutes, wherein the concepts will be crystallized. And at next step, there is something called, after the videos chapter wise is seen, first chapter you will watch the video, you will go to the next level, wherein you can practice the test. You could see here, you are taking the test. For that particular chapter, there are around 4 questions. Like that, so here you can take the test. You can go to the next question. Like that, you will be able to take the test. Now, like this, we have done it for the chapter 1. Like that, each chapter 1 to 20, you will be able to take the test. Once that is done, what is next step? You will be going to the comprehensive test, which we will call it as step 2. Wherein, whatever you covered in chapter 1 to 20, a detailed test will be there, which will help you to ensure that whatever concepts you learned is being crystallized. It is like an exam. I could say whatever studied being, the test happens here. So you could see that 39 minutes gets lapsed. You'll get the questions topic by topic. You are able to view it. Now, after this is over, test your understanding is over, then there is something called energizer, which is a third level, which is nothing but revision. I would say whatever the concepts you learned earlier, a quick revision of what you learned is covered under energizer. Coming to practice 4, this is practice lectures again. This is, I would say, the next level wherein you are able to watch some comprehensive lectures, I would say. Okay, give me a second. Right. So this is nothing but a practice lecture, as you could see. You could view this practice lecture here. This is one more level of crystallizing your concept. Now, after this, you go to the step 5, wherein you could take one comprehensive exam. Like how you taken in step 2, you will be able to take some comprehensive exam here. Okay. Let's again, one more level of exam. Now, step 5 is also over. Then you move on to exam simulation. This is very interesting, wherein you take in real time how ACCA exam happens. You will be able to take the exam. This gives you a complete feel of ACCA exam. The instructions, step by step, you will be able to take it here. As you could see. Like this, you will be able to, it gives you a complete simulation of ACCA exam. Now, once this step is also, if you look at, there are 6 steps we have gone through it after downloading the material. First is chapter-wise videos, chapter-wise question bank, we have gone through it. Next level, comprehensive text under step 2 we have taken. Third level, we have taken energizer. Fourth level, we have done practice lectures. Then we have gone to test your understanding at step 5. And finally, we have taken exam simulation also. Then finally, there is something called webinar, wherein I could say that, how to approach on that particular exam day, what you need to do in that exam time, how you should be mentally prepared. All these guidance will be given through the step 7 webinar. Not only that, while your preparation, in fact, once you joined, immediately you will be added to a WhatsApp group wherein the experts, who are ACCA qualified experts, will be giving you insights as to how to approach. In addition to that, there is something called an option called Contact Tutor, wherein you come across any doubt while going through any of these sessions, I would say intensive 7 sessions, then immediately what you need to do is you will be able to connect with our academic coordinator, and this academic coordinator in turn connect with the expert faculty for that particular subject who will clarify your doubts through WebEx platform, similar to what we are seeing now. Now, in effect, what I would say, when you look at a preparation like this, what I could say that your preparation level is very comprehensive. I could say it is at a level which is, on one side we were discussing about, somebody watching a pirated material or a YouTube video. Whereas if you look at 7-layer approach, starting from downloading the best of materials, viewing topic-wise videos, taking test under that, comprehensive test, energizer, again, one more session, final sessions of videos, one more comprehensive exam, and simulation, and finally, faculty-based doubt clear. It gives you a enormous level of or multiple layer of preparation. Okay, this is what exactly required for cracking professional program like ACCA in first attempt. I hope this particular video give you some insights about how to approach for the exam, the multi-layer revision approach you need to do that, and I'm sure you will be able to crack ACCA exam in first attempt with an intensive approach like this. And you need any more clarification, you can WhatsApp in any of the numbers given in these videos. And wish you all the very best for cracking ACCA exam in first attempt. God bless you. Thank you.